Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Oh my God, what are you doing? You're going... Jesus Christ.
I didn't hear anything from Timberlake. Nothing. Oh, Timberlake, nothing. Yeah, I expect flowers tomorrow.
Remember that happened just when Timberlake was
dumb motherfucker.
Season's top gifts and guest essentials up to 40% off. Plus, find financing options to fit any budget, including up to 60%.
Woman.
These deals are for a limited time only. Schedule your delivery by visiting your local Ashley store or tap the banner now.
Don't let your emotions become misguided. Return to the emotional scale and gently guide yourself back to joy. Stay committed to returning to love, and you can trust that you're allowed.
What the fuck are you doing? Go!
Hold on, let me call my partner because I know I'm not tripping. I know I'm not tripping. No.
Call whoever you want to.
That's for my ex.
If you knew you didn't hit me, why the hell did you pull over and stop? You did pull over and come over and stop because you knew you hit me.
No,
So-
because I wanted to make sure if you're okay. It's okay if you
Okay,
record
for
me,
what?
that's
Because
fine,
if you didn't hit
I'm
me,
being caring though.
Oh,
Right?
No.
Right?
If you didn't hit me, you wouldn't pull over. You knew.
But that's not cool to do no hit and runs, right?
Exactly, it's not
Exactly,
cool.
okay.
What are you talking about?
Just
She
'cause she's a
changed
black
lanes
driver.
into my car.
Okay, you can let the insurance figure that out.
Oh yeah, the insurance she doesn't have?
No, you can
Thank
let
you
your-
very much. The insurance she doesn't have, thank you.
Who's at fault or not?
Bro, she had insurance. I would have got her shit and left. I would have got her info and we would have been done. She doesn't have insurance,
You
so
can still take their information. You don't have to.
yes I do.
Okay.
Honey, don't go after them. No, they're pulling over, honey. Seriously. Don't yell at them.
I mean, it's dark. She's not super coordinated. Hey! Ah! Ah! It's all right. Mom, let me call 911.
Babe, it's fine. Was that you or him?
No, it wasn't me. I'm about to. Oh, we're calling the police.
Bro?
I'm about to, bro.
You want to?
Yeah. I'm not. Don't call the cops. I'm about to whoop this. You about to get put. You about to get beat.
Get it on camera. Get it on camera.
Get it.
Get it on camera.
I have it on camera.
Yeah.
This pussy
Get
boy
everything,
about to
yo.
get beat the up.
Get everything.
Right now. Get his license plate, dog.
Yeah.
Put that window down.
It's what is that?
Window down.
I would have.
No.
Chum, higher your window.
Stop!
Oh my! If he hit your window,
If he breaks my window, I'm gonna freak out.
No, you're cool. Yeah. You want to record so I'll break the window, bro.
Don't!
You want to record this?
Chum. Put the phone down.
Okay,
Chum.
put the.
So sorry. Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.